Hello, welcome back to the Teeny Beans channel. Today we are going to be sharing 5 easy and fun art and craft ideas for preschoolers. These activities are perfect for keeping your little ones engaged and creative. So let's get started. Activity 1. Finger painting. The first activity we recommend is finger painting. All you need is some washable paint and paper. Let your child use their fingers to create a masterpiece. This activity helps preschoolers with their fine motor skills and encourages creativity. Activity 2. Paper plate animals. The second activity is making paper plate animals. Cut a paper plate in half and have your child color or paint it to look like an animal. Then add some construction paper for the ear, nose and eyes. This activity helps preschoolers with their cutting, coloring and creativity skills. Activity 3. Play-Doh creations. The third activity is making Play-Doh creations. You can make your own Play-Doh or use store-bought. Let your child mold and shape the Play-Doh into whatever they desire. This activity helps preschoolers with their fine motor skills and encourages imaginative play. Activity 4. Pipe cleaner sculptures. The fourth activity is making pipe cleaner sculptures. Give your child a pack of colorful pipe cleaners and let them create their own unique sculptures. This activity helps preschoolers with their hand-eye coordination and encourages creativity. Activity 5. Popsicle stick puppets. The fifth and final activity we recommend is making popsicle stick puppets. Give your child some popsicle sticks, construction paper, and markers to create their own puppets. They can put on a puppet show for the family when they are done. This activity helps preschoolers with their cutting, coloring, and storytelling skills. That's it for our 5 easy and fun art and craft ideas for preschoolers. We hope you enjoyed watching and that these activities will keep your little ones engaged and creative. Let us know in the comments which activity was your favorite, or if you have any other art and craft ideas for preschoolers that you recommend. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. In case of any doubts regarding the preschool business, please reach out to us at www.teenybeans.in.